Well, good Monday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody's having a right fine start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, as usual, in East Central Mississippi, yep, it's been raining the last couple, 3-4 days. Lord of mercy, just rain. But the good part about it is knocking the pollen out of these pine trees, and that's a big benefit. But before we get off into this video, I always like to say that if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little gardening update. I'm going to show you what Skylar and I have been working on over the weekend. Lord, it rained the whole weekend, so we did a lot of stuff inside. Give me a second, and that's what we fixing to do's. Since we outside, before we go into the shack, let me show you a few things that we've been working on. Look at there, got us a strawberry planter out. These are the Ever Sweet, and guess what? Starting to get strawberries. I'm sure enough tinkle pink about that. We put 3 plants in that little half whiskey barrel, growing good. Here is the rain gutter strawberry planter. Ooh, got a red wasp right there. Got some flowers. Hopefully we'll get a bunch of strawberries coming on, and the rain gutter system is looking really well. Don't see any deficiencies in these plants as of yet, except I got some grass growing from the easy straw that I used. Gotta pull that out. But I'm here to tell you, the rain gutter strawberries are getting their grow on. Let's go off into the shack, and I'm gonna show you what we did as well over the weekend. All right, we planted out a bunch of seeds, I'm here to tell you. And we actually have 2 starting trays going. The dome's missing up real good. I don't know if I'm gonna open this dome up because it'll leak water all over the place, but we actually planted out, I'm gonna say 6 different varieties of maters. Haven't seen anything germination wise on the maters. And on this end, we planted out 2 or 3 different varieties of cucumbers that we're going to try out. I don't know if you look real hard, I got one germinated right there. But over here I have a bunch of, we set out a bunch of flower seeds trying to get them to germinate. And some peppers on this end, but I know peppers take a little bit longer than anything else. But let's see, got us a cucumber going out. And the cucumbers that we are trying this year, these 2 right here. This is a green dragon hybrid. It produces a long cylindrical fruit. Hopefully it doesn't have a lot of seeds. And this guy right here, it's an Armenian white, and this produces a really long fruit as well, 3 foot long if I'm not mistaken. So we trying out these 2 cucumbers this year. We're going to see how they grow over here in East Central Mississippi, because I'm a big fan of cucumbers, and Skylar's like a really huge fan of cucumbers. So we're gonna see if we can't get those to grow. And I'm also growing the international pickler like I normally do. And down here we actually had some stuff actually come up towards the back over here. These are yellow tom tomatoes that were sent to me from Switzerland. And these seeds actually came from Norway. And I have 1 rose of Sharon that actually germinated rather quickly. To the front, we have some Aztec rainbow peppers, or chilies. So I'm hoping these guys do. So we're keeping a pretty good eye on that. Let me give you an update on the microgreens. Yes, them jokers are growing. It is almost time to harvest. And this has probably been about close to 2 weeks. I've gotten in here, I've been watering them and misting them pretty good. I keep a fan on them sometimes just to cut back on the mold and insects, but we need to harvest this and get our eat on. But the microgreens, and this is the spicy salad mix, it is showing off getting its grow on. But what I am going to say is I am going to try a different method of growing the microgreens on the next go around. Mr. CB and a few other people suggested, hey Dan, you ought to use that hemp mat. So I actually have some hemp mat that I ordered on Amazon, and I also ordered some shallow 1020 trays. They're probably about like that, shallow. They're not the tall ones, they're the shallow ones. So we're gonna try to get our grow on the next go round with the microgreens. Once we harvest these, may start on some radishes, and also, what's the other one? Some arugula, slow boat arugula. So we're gonna try that next. But I'm just tickled pink that the micros, the first batch, actually grew. Time to harvest them too. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Just a few updates on the stuff that we worked on over the weekend due to the inclement weather. Got a lot of seeds sowed out. Hopefully they'll start to germinate. It's only been a couple of days, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get good germination rate this year. I haven't worked on the earth garden at all yet. The lesson that I learned from last year was don't plan anything out towards the end of April or March. Wait towards the latter part or the real end of April. I'm really expecting another hard frost to hit over here, so I'm not going to put anything delicate out, maters, none of that. I'm just going to hold off on doing that because it got me last year, and I ended up having to replant a bunch of stuff due to the hard frost. So y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Monday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.